Okay, this is just a quick tutorial for those who have not started Jasper Active yet. Once you do log in, I want you to go ahead and skip the benchmark. If you've already taken it, you'll see a green check mark. If you haven't done it, just click start and then skip all. I want you to get to the lessons. The lessons are the core. You'll see these 6 sections. Each lesson contains anywhere from 3 to 5 tasks. As you progress, you'll see the green circle. This tells you that I'm 40% through with managing document section. When you do click on the task, it'll give you step-by-step instructions. So I'll go through the first one for you. It pulls up whatever document you're going to be manipulating on the left side, and this is question 1 of 1. This document's 3 pages long and you want to see how it was set up. So number 1, click on the Home tab, click on More Options, and it tells you where to find the More Options if you don't see it. So Home, you're already at the Home tab, the More Options button, and then the instructions tell you in step 2, click Show and Hide. Scroll through so you can see the paragraph marks. So there's the Show Hide. You can see it brings these paragraph marks. They look like backward P's. Each time somebody has pressed the Enter key, you can see that it leaves a paragraph mark. Now, it wants you to find the information for Andrew McSweeney, but you don't know which page it's on. So rather than scroll through the entire document, you're going to use the Find feature. So on the Home tab, which we're still here, you're going to click Find. The Find button is right here. Now, this is going to pull up the box over the instructions. You can use this to toggle back and forth. It tells you to type Andrew. Notice this is lowercase. Make sure you pay attention to if it's lowercase or uppercase. And remember that you do have to type. You can't just copy and paste Andrew. Otherwise, it's going to count it wrong. Okay, so we're going to go back. Type Andrew. Enter, and you'll see that it pulls up Andrew McSweeney here. So we go back to our instructions. Okay, so now it displays a preview. You notice how Word automatically moves you to the location where the text can be found. This can be beneficial when you have multiple occurrences. Now click the occurrence below the search field. Click in the document where the occurrence, so it wants us to click here, and then we can click anywhere on the document to remove the gray. And then number 5, to remove the search criteria, click the X. So we go back here and that removes it. And then we go on to number 6, type Nick. Notice this is capitalization. Capitalized. And it tells you, notice how a word ignores any casing. So if you're going to search for Nick, you'll see, there we found Nick. It just wants you to notice that this helps you search for any occurrence, whether it's capitalized or not. So if Nick was lowercase, it still would have picked it up. So close by the task pane by clicking the X at the top right. Okay, so we're going to close that. And that's it. And then you hit submit, finish, and it will tell you you got 1 out of 1. Now, this is where I tell you, don't get frustrated. When you go to the other tasks, if it keeps marking it wrong, but it lets you get to the spot, just go on to the next one and don't get too frustrated. Okay. So good luck and let me know if you have any questions.